Hey guys, how are you? It's your boy Phil. So today we're gonna try the helicopter tours in FLYNYON, and as you can see, we are in Kearney, New Jersey. I mean, we're close to the heliport, so we'll see how this goes, and hopefully it's gonna be a great ride. So we're just waiting to be accommodated here in FLYNYON, and I'm kind of excited starting this trip. And as you can see, there's a helicopter at the back right here. Yeah, so this is an example of the helicopter that we're gonna ride later. So hopefully it's gonna be safe, and we're hoping it is. So, man, these things are large. So I'm here inside their display helicopter. I think this is what it means to be a helicopter pilot, which is one of my dreams to achieve probably. So this is like the cockpit. And this is the cyclical, the pedals, and vertical lift. So let's just see if it's more exciting later. Oh, damn, it's cold. Ayun nga, akala ko you.
Alright, just to make sure I got the right people. I sure have. Rico, Filbert, Daisy, Edison, Janet, and John. My name is Mick. You're pilot today, guys. And stay inside the blue line. Inside the blue line. set everything up so you guys can see. The helicopter always wants to point into the...
So hey guys, we just finished our trip in FLYNYON. Hopefully, thank God we survived the trip. So right now we're having dinner here in Longhorn just to treat ourselves. So I mean, it's a great steakhouse to be in, especially if you want quality steak. So, and the ambiance is so great. And good thing they accept dining today in COVID. So hope it's gonna be well.